Hi, I'm Romain. I have been playing for about 15 years now, and I'm an independent artist from London. You see me, I play very hard, so I like to use light sticks. So I use the Collision 7A drumsticks. One of the things I like about Collision drumsticks is that they are very durable, as I like to play hard. They can withstand all of the hits. I mean, the sticks are also lovely to play with. Like, my hands get very sweaty when I play, and the sticks have no problem with dealing with them. They don't fall out my hands, and they're just lovely to play with. The thing is also with Collision here, it's like a community. You can talk to management, they'll do whatever they can to supply your every need. The song I'm going to be playing is Hang On by GEI featuring Kira Sheard.
Turbulence is the price you pay for flying high. So whenever you're flying high, you're going to have some bumpy areas. That's what I want to promise you. So don't give up. Hang in there.
You can't help but play, and we don't